giving me, teaching me lot of things, and I'm
Good or
happy
bad?
and
Good or bad?
I'm fully satisfied. Now I don't want to become a president, but I will always helpful to the president, and I will work for the organization and for the political, what is the need, which party needs, I will work for that.
Nitinji, you're looking for coming back to power in general elections slated to be held in 2014. But we see that your allies are distancing from yourself, you know. Shiv Sena saying that how will you going to get allies is a question. JDU distances from yourself. So how will you going to stand in general election with your words that you will come
just
back?
remember at the time when Atal Bihari Vajpayee became a prime minister. When we get the number of 165, more than that, we have increased our friends up to 23 parties have come with us. It is depending upon our strength. And when we will get more than 165, you just see that we will get all friends with us.
Are you confident of getting this?
100%.
Nitinji, why is that Nitish Kumar has distanced, JDU has distanced from you? A long, more than a decade relationship you have.
It's a very unfortunate incident. Actually, as a president, at that time, I was promised to Nitish Kumarji that any time when BJP want to decide the candidature for the prime ministership, we will first discuss all this issue with the all important party of the NDA, and after that we will decide. So you don't bother about that, please believe us. And that promise was there. But actually, just I want to ask you a question. As a democratic party, our president appoint him, Narendra Modi, as a chairman of the public campaign committee, election management. What is the problem in it? Whether our president has no right to appoint finance committee, campaign committee, management committee. It is the internal matter of the party.
Then it should have been resolved talking. Why is that?
We have tried our level best to convince this to Nitish Kumarji and Sharad Yadavji that still our party has not taken any decision to appoint Narendra Modi as our prime minister candidate.
But will he be?
Huh?
Will he be?
It will be decided at the appropriate time. Party parliamentary board will decide. But as far as the present position is concerned, our president has only decided to appoint him as a chairman of the public campaign committee for 2014 election.
Is it Nitish Kumar's aspirations of prime ministership has distanced himself from you?
I don't know, but it is very unfortunate. And for the interest of the country, in the interest of democracy, whatever the thing in which it happened, it is very unfortunate.
So, are you still open that if JDU comes to your corner, you will...
BJP's doors are open for everybody because BJP never fails on the philosophy of untouchability. In the interest of the democracy, in the interest of the country, with a common minimum program, we are ready to take cooperation from any political party, and this is a broad approach of the BJP, and which is very much important for Indian democracy, and I am very proud of it that BJP have broad approach and broad perspective about the country.
And secondly, if we look at Uddhav Thackeray, the way his writings are coming, that he has reservations for Modi, he has reservations the way NDA is moving, he says there is no coordination person in NDA left. So how will you going to keep him intact if supposing he decides to distance them?
I feel that on the media news, it will not be appropriate to make any comments on it. But some days before I have discussed with Sanjay Raut, he is there in charge in Delhi, and due course of time in Mumbai, I am going to meet with Uddhav Thackeray, and we will definitely discuss the thing and we will solve the problems.
Nitinji, do you think that it is the time when Uddhav and Raj should come together and be...
It is a political compulsion of Maharashtra politics that if we want to demolish this corrupt government of Congress and NCP, which creating a lot of problems to the state of Maharashtra, this is the political need of BJP, Shiv Sena, that we have to make some other political parties and friends where we can, at any cost, we have to defeat this Congress NCP alliance. So it will be proper for us. But without Shiv Sena, we cannot take any decision.
Nitinji, but do you personally feel, I have known you since long, I have been seeing your relations with Raj and Uddhav both. Do you think that you will going to meddle between these two brothers, that they come together and be with you in your fold?
In my political life, I am very much inspired and motivated by Balasaheb Thackeray. I have tremendous faith, respect for him. like Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. He was a very frank, fair and a very, very noble personality which I meet in my life. At the last time when he was in Shilavati hospital when I meet him, half an hour I was with him. So there was also feeling in his mind that it will be appropriate that the two brothers, if they come together, it will be a great thing for him. It is also, it's not only for Thackeray Parivar. It is for Maharashtra, it is for Marathi Manos. It is for in the interest of the Maharashtra politics. If two brothers come and united, nothing like that. And it is not a political issue. It is a family issue. It is the issue related with Balasaheb Thackeray, where I have a lot of respect for him. If I get opportunity to add some sugar into the milk to make the good relationship between two brothers.
Are you doing that?
I always trying for that, but I don't know what will happen in future. But from my side, I always try to do that.
Nitinji, where is Hindutva? Is it lost in between the politics that is taking shape? BJP known for Hindutva.
Hindutva is not a political subject. As per the definition of Hindutva given by the Supreme Court, it is a way of life. So my feeling is Hindutva cannot be a political subject for a political party. Hindutva is a subject for national reconstruction, for a socio-economic transformation and for a way of life. I feel that this country needs this thinking where we want to make India in the future, strong India. It is the need of the country.
And Ram Temple, Nitinji?
It is not a political subject. We need.
So, but you stand firm on Ram Temple?
100%. But we need cooperation from all political party and leaders. And our honest feeling is that we don't want to make a debatable issue of Ram Temple. Because Prabhu Ramchandra is the inspiration and motivation of all Indians, all different type of people. So we don't want to make a debatable issue on Ram Mandir. We are trying our level best how to convince all the party and leaders to make unanimity on this issue.
But it is an agenda of BJP that Ram Temple.
It is not agenda. It is not a political agenda. The future of this country is not an agenda of any political party. This is a subject which is quite important and is more than politics.
Nitinji, one last question. Can it be said that BJP is party with difference, not with differences, you mean?
It is a democratic party and is a party with a difference. But sometimes, because of difference, it damaged the image of this party. Because the people of India and the leaders, the journalists, the many people, they expect some is a party, they never expect differences. That's why we have to improve our system, we have to improve our image, and we have to improve our party system by which we can give the image of united party. That is the need of the party.
Nitinji, one last question about, you have been very harsh on media at times, many a times you have been very harsh. But it's your own party leaders who brief us, who inform us. This should be the main worry within the party that's been doing on.
No, I'm not against media. Because I need you need 24-hour material. But the only thing which I want to say you that do the news, stories, but on the basis of ground reality and truth. Don't make any news on the basis of just you feel it and so write it. This is not be appropriate. If you have any evidence, suppose the letter from Advani is with you, you can make a program on it. No problem. It may be negative for the BJP.
But your leader brief us, Nitinji.
It's a problem of a party. Many times when off the record leader speaks with the media, they damage the party. And this is one of the negative part as far as BJP is concerned. Our party needs to control this type of leadership who have habit to discuss all the thing with the media, who are damaging the image of the party and creating, this is a party of differences and different leaders. We have to create the image of united party and the leaders who are united on the basis of ideology and thinking and want to work for the country. This impression, it is very essential for the party to give it to the people of India.
Nitinji, who will be better Prime Minister, Mr. Advani or Mr. Modi?
I don't want to give the answer of this question. As far as Advani is concerned, he is a fatherly figure of the party. He is a founder of the party. We the guide and philosopher of the party. And Narendra Modi is the most popular leader between the workers and between the supporters of the party. With the help of both the leaders and all other leaders, we are working as a team. And we all are very much interested how we can change the future of this country, how we can save this country. This is the main inspiration and motivation behind all of our leaders.
So it was BJP's ex-president Nitin Gadkari who was very calculative in coming out with words and what exactly going on in the party making rounds in party circle. He was very calculated, though apart from what he said, he did try to unfold the mystery that still looms large as to why he could not become a president for the second time. Thank you so much, Mr. Gadkari, talking to NewsX, first time on television after he could not become president. Thank you so much.
Thank you.